Our goal is to create toothbrush designs that enhance the brushing experience and hopefully get people excited to actually brush their teeth for 2 minutes twice a day.
Until plastic was invented, toothbrush handles were carved out cattle bone, and the bristles were made from the hair of animals such as pig.
Really where we're going after now as far as technology is high density bristles. So the ability to pack a lot of bristles in a small space, minimizing pressure to reduce gum abrasion and also improve foaming for a better cleaning experience. Being a designer at Colgate is less of being a pure designer and a little bit more of being a dot connector.
The first thing is really working with an insight. So it's understanding what the market is and how people are using objects and where there's an opportunity space. So there's a lot of research involved in that.
So it's taking all of these amazing trends, research, science that are out in the field, putting that all together and really trying to create the future of oral care.
It's conceptualizing. You build these concepts in terms of a visual understanding and a written understanding, and then you start to shape them. And then we get into CAD. So you start to 3D print, then you build and you test. And also in conjunction with our chemistry teams and development paste. Maybe there's a synergy there where we could have a brush that accentuates a paste benefit.
Toothbrushes and toothpaste are really a system, and what we're doing in toothbrush is really tweaking the bristles, configuration, shapes, and spacing to really enhance the toothpaste delivery and deliver actives of that toothpaste into different areas of your mouth.
Power brushes are typically designed where you keep the handle, which provides the motor and the power source, and it drives the action in the head. Make an investment in the handle, and then you just replace the head every 3 months.
We're really taking the forefront and putting our best toothpaste and oral care formulas and testing them in the lab actually with our specifically designed toothbrushes to see if we can get more of an enhanced effect, better results, and really a better experience for consumers.
Our internal standards for manual toothbrushes are consistently set to meet or exceed the required ISO standards.
We'll test internally, we'll test externally with consumers that we engage in home use tests and trials, and we mature them over time.
We ensure our manual toothbrush can withstand everyday use through rigorous quality and safety testing that is conducted throughout both the development and mass production phases.
Colgate is constantly working towards a sustainable future with both our products and our packaging. With packaging, we really start with the unboxing experience. We've recently relaunched our premium portfolio into a paper structure that's completely able to go into the waste stream and be recycled. So when we're really able to come with a not only sustainable structure, but one that makes it easier to open, really makes a difference. We're looking at new materials to make a toothbrush from, so whether it's bamboo or recycled PET made from recycled water bottles. And we've been working with our material scientists to develop the next generation of bio-based sustainable materials.
Our manufacturing facility in China produces 1 billion toothbrushes a year. Because of this, the city of Yangzhou is known as the toothbrush capital of the world.
It's the scale. One of the things that I find exciting and rewarding is that I get to impact people's lives.
With billions of toothbrushes sold annually, I get to help billions of people achieve a healthier smile.
Providing a product that can improve their life in some manner, I appreciate that opportunity to do that.
I was at the convention. One of the hygienists came up to me and said, "I love your toothbrush. This is the best toothbrush I ever used." That moment, I was like, all the hard work paid off. If I can change their world, change their life a little bit better, that makes my day.
The end goal is to make more smiles.